Today we're showing you some quite interesting desserts. Starting with the first one, which is a mosaic gelatin dessert. This is mostly popular in Mexico and Brazil. Preparing different colored gelatin in saucepans, then pouring them into trays, waiting until they're done in thickness. As we wait for the gelatin, we make the cream, for which we will need evaporated milk, condensed milk, vanilla flavor, and unflavored gelatin. Continuously mixing the cream and then adding the gelatin to it. Cutting the flavored gelatin in cubes. We're loving these pretty colors. Putting them in serving cups. Then carefully putting the cream into each cup too. Freezing for a couple of hours or overnight. And we are done! Continuing with another recipe, and this time we're making some mermaid cupcakes. For the base, we will need cake crumbs and buttercream. Then we will make some balls out of it. For the decoration, we will need gum paste and mermaid silicone molds. Dipping the cake pops in blue melted chocolate one by one. Decorating them with edible glitter sprinkles. Making some pink ones too. And we finally attach the mermaid gum paste tails. Some chocolate seashells or any other decoration is more than welcome. Our last dessert recipes includes a coffee and milk jelly. Pouring the evaporated milk, condensed milk, vanilla extract in a saucepan and bringing them to a boil. While mixing, we add the gelatin too. Time for the coffee flavor. This definitely looks good. Which one was your favorite dessert?